Enzo will show you his Thomas and Friends trains. Okay, Enzo, what will you say?
This are my Thomas and Friends.
What?
Thomas and Friends collection of Trackmaster.
Okay, who's this?
This is normal Thomas.
Normal Thomas. Okay.
And this is another normal Thomas.
Okay, and who's this?
And this is Muddy Thomas.
What?
Muddy Thomas.
Muddy Thomas. Oh, there.
This
yes.
is Streamline Thomas.
What? It's Streamline.
Yes.
Okay, and this
This
one?
is
Who's this?
Old Thomas.
Old Thomas. Okay,
This
and this
is
one?
Fireworks Thomas.
Fireworks. Okay, this one?
This is
It's old. What's that?
This one is High Speed Thomas.
High Speed. Okay, that one. Who's that?
Which one? Here.
Yeah, who's
This
that?
is Charlie.
Oh, what's the color of Charlie? Nice color.
Purple.
Purple. Okay, next
This
one.
is Animal Party Pussy.
What? Who's this?
Animal Party Pussy.
Party Percy. Whoa, nice color.
Yellow.
Yeah, and this one?
This is
You already said that.
This is Old Thomas.
Okay, you said Old Thomas.
This is Gordon.
Gordon.
Express
What?
Engine.
What?
Express Engine.
Express Engine. Okay, this
Just
one.
like Spencer.
Yeah,
This is Spencer.
Spencer. Yeah.
Just the same as Gordon.
Okay, that
This
one.
is James.
James.
The funny little engine.
It's a funny little engine. Oh, this one.
This is James again.
Another James. Okay, you have two James. And this one.
And he's naughty.
Is he naughty? Oh,
He
okay.
always show off.
Okay,
This
next.
is Emily, the kindest.
The kindest of all the engines.
Kindest told James to stop showing off.
Oh,
For
okay.
it breaks, he will broke.
All right. And this one.
This is Nia, the kindest with Thomas.
Oh, a new friend of Thomas.
Henry scared with ghosts or monsters.
Like you.
Yes.
Yeah, this one.
This is Percy, the mail train.
Who's Percy? Who's the best friend of Thomas?
Percy
Percy. And this
is the
one.
best friend.
Okay, and this one.
Always want the best.
Who's
This is
this?
Young Bell
Young
from
Bell.
China.
It's from
To
China.
teach Thomas how to do Tai Chi.
Tai Chi.
This one,
Tai Chi.
that's
Hai Chi or Tai Chi? On this one.
Rebecca can't do anything because he don't got anything.
And the last one is
Hero is old.
old hero.
Engine.
Where is he from? You know?
America.
No. Japan.
Japan.
Yeah. And the last one.
Huh?
Did you tell me that? Who's this?
This
Mm-hmm.
Henry.
Okay. There you go.